All right, this is a 2007 Ford X Ford Focus SE. I'm doing an alternator on it, and I done it from the top. Um, it's really not too much you have to take off. I took the bolts out of the reservoir. It's one bolt holding it in. Took that one bolt off. It's right here. Pulled it out, laid it over. I took the EGR valve. Let's see if I can get a light on it. It bolts up right here. It's two bolts, one on the left side, one on the right side. Gotta take the two lines out. I got safety caps, safety locks in each one of them, the top one and bottom one. Be careful with taking those out. Make sure you don't break any. Pull those lines out. There's also gonna be a fuel line up here at the top. Disconnect that. Make sure you have something to catch the fuel. Pull that out. And I used this little cord just to hold it up when I take the alternator out. And here's one of the lines for the EGR valve. I just laid over to the side. And the other two are up here. This is the other EGR valve. This is the fuel line. Then I took the belt tensioner off. I don't know if you can see it. It's right where the light is on that pulley. The belt tensioner. Loosen the belt tensioner. It's a 12mm wrench. I did it from the top. Took the belt off. Then I took the alternator bolts. Before you start in this, make sure you disconnect the battery, both terminals. You know, the positive and the negative. The negative, positive is disconnected. And back to the alternator. I disconnected the cables first. I disconnected the terminal cable on the alternator first. It's a 10mm bolt. Then I disconnected the connector. I used a little flathead screwdriver. This might be difficult to take off because it's the angle. Because I did it from this angle. But once you take this component off, it gives you more space to look down and see where you're putting the flathead. You put it right on the back of this and pushed up, pulled this way, pulled to my right. If you're standing in front, pull to your right, and then jiggle it out, and it came out with ease. Then I started taking out the alternator bolts. I took out the first bolt is at the very top. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's right up here, the first top one. I disconnected it. The bolt came off first, but it's a stud that's threaded into the engine. Right here, it's threaded. This whole piece is threaded into the engine with the alternator on it, and the bolt came off first. So, but in order for you to get the alternator, you see how far it's not no clearance. So you have to take this off. It's only two of them. One's on top and this one at the bottom. A hex wrench, hex head tool. Take both of the studs out, one top, one at the bottom. Then your third bolt is just the regular bolt that comes out, which is like this, regular bolt. Take that out. Then once you have it out, you still can't put it out. One more step, you gotta take the cover off. This cover. And it came off with ease. Let's see. Let's see. Put this. Put it right here. Let's see. Okay. All right. You gotta. It will not come up with the top with this on there. So while this alternator was still inside the bottom, down in there, I just lay down in there freely. Got my little wrench, 10mm bolt. Took it off. Or, I'm sorry, not a 10. I think it's like a 12 or 14. I think it's like a 14. Anyway, take that bolt out. Slide the cover off. Take the cover out. Then the alternator comes out. Pulley down. When you're pulling it out, either have it with the pulley down or pulley facing towards you. But you just ease it down. I should be putting a new one in there instead of this one. Let's see. This is a new one. Let's see. Oops. Take this extra stuff off. Alright. I want to see if I can one hand this in there. Oops. Oh well. Well, it's down there now, so you see you have plenty of space to get the pulley in there when you take the cover off. Just be careful. See, I dropped it. I was trying to one-hand it and hold this phone. That's something you shouldn't do, but it goes in there with ease. So now I'm gonna put it back together. Throw that cover on the back of it. Throw the cover on the back of it, and I'm done. I mean, it'll probably take me another 30 minutes because I took my time taking it out to make sure I had enough clearance and taking breaks. So it took me an hour and 10 minutes just to take the alternator out. You know, fooling around and whatnot, but total time, this should be about a 2-hour job, if that, doing it this way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. If it was not, I'm sorry. I mean, I don't normally make videos, but I saw some other videos on this and I thought I would try a different way other than those ways to try to make it simple for other folks. All right, thanks.